Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry from Sherry's Decor and More. Thank you for visiting my channel and my video. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to do so before you leave this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Today, I am going to show you how to make your own decorative wood spoons. These are just the brown wood spoons that you can buy packs of at most any store. I already have this painted white on top, black on the bottom. I have painted it white on top because I'm going to be using some napkins and rice paper. So I wanted the details of my napkin and rice paper to show through really well on the spoons. So if you're ever decorating with napkins like that or a white rice paper, you'll want to put a white background so you can get the details of that floral out. Okay, I'm just using a regular matte Mod Podge, just a regular matte Mod Podge. I have this rice paper that I'm going to use a couple of pieces of today. Sorry, I forgot my scissors over here. So I'm going to cut out around a couple of these designs. The key to Mod Podge when you're using paper or napkin, really, if you're using a napkin, you really want to do a thin coat of your Mod Podge, a very thin coat. That's how you're going to tear your napkin if you put a lot on there. So just make sure it's covered well. Swipe over it a few times to make sure that you have it thinned out really good so you don't have issues trying to get the tissue without wrinkles. I'm going to cut out the sunflower from my napkin. Napkins come 2-ply or 3-ply. You have to take the back white backing of your design off of your napkin when you're Mod Podging. Okay. There we go. So I have my thin layer of Mod Podge on here, so I'm just going to lay this sunflower right across the surface, like so. If you're new to using Mod Podge, I would highly suggest that you start with some designs that's small like this, so that you can learn how to handle your tissue paper of this better. Okay, I will bust through these holes right here. I'll let this sit, and when I get done with all of these spoons, I will come back and sand those. I want to do another napkin like that. If you're wanting to know, these particular napkins I got from Amazon. They're really good. There's multiple places you can buy napkins without having to buy a whole pack of napkins. There are websites out there like that. I just happened to see these on Amazon one day, and I got the whole pack because I have a lot of customers who do sunflower decor. So I knew it wouldn't be a waste of my time or money to go ahead and buy it. And it wasn't that expensive either, so. Okay. Whoop, I don't get it. Okay. I'm going to put a thin layer of this again. And then my napkin. There's 2 done. Now I'm going to do this rice paper on this one. Whoops, on the right side. Just here. Rice paper is really easy to work with. It's very forgiving. You have to move it, or it won't tear as easy as a napkin material would. Got that on there. Gotta put this on here. I think I do. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna put my other piece of rice paper I did on this one. Okay, we'll just let this dry. Let that one dry. Now, this particular design is for, wanted sunflowers and buffalo plaid. So, for the buffalo plaid, I'm going to use just a piece of scrap paper. You can get these on sale usually every other week at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. So this is like 30 cents for this little sheet, this 8x10 sheet. You can get a lot of projects out of that. Just cut you a piece out. Lay it flat on there. Just like that. That's all you have to do. So these spoon sets usually come in a set of 6, which is a great size, and something super easy to do to add to some risers that I have a video on, and some trivets I showed how to make in a video. All of these could be a nice set for someone, a Christmas gift or a birthday gift or a wedding gift. Okay, now then, got that down there. Okay, So then all you have to do after that is take your little piece of sandpaper. Really, you can also do the burn technique with a lighter that'll burn this down perfectly all the way around here. I didn't get my Mod Podge on that part, did I? I'm not going to do it with the lighter right now because I don't want my house smelling like flames. But it's a super easy thing to do, and I'll show that technique one day when I can sit outside. So just take this piece of sandpaper and go straight down. Don't ever pull up because you'll mess up your design. Doesn't matter how this looks right here. You don't have to do anything with it because we're going to be doing something on that area. Set this one off. When you have slots like this, you can use a thin piece of sandpaper like I'm using right now, or you can even use a thin, one of the metal type fingernail files. You can usually get those at Dollar Tree. You can use that on this as well. It would fit in here perfectly. Right now I just have this and I'm just running it down the side. Okay, so I've sanded all of the spoons down. I even sanded some around the edge of the spoons. If you like to make it more rugged looking, you can do that. And then I took a piece of twine and I just wrap it around where my design ends and the paint handle begins, and that just makes it look like a more finished transition between the handle and the paddle part. So we just tie them off, and here is your finished product. This will make super cute designs for a gift, especially the holidays will be upon us before you know it. It's a perfect time to start doing your decor if you do your own decor for gifts. You can put these in a tin can like this with a little bow on it. That will match, that would go with that buffalo plaid. Or you can put it into a ball jar. You can buy these at Hobby Lobby, $2 and some change. I painted it white. I put some antique wax on it. And this is another design of chickens, sunflowers, and buffalo plaid that I did for another customer. So there's two different designs that you can do that look great and simple. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button for me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, can you please do that as well? I will be back with some more designs So keep a lookout for them, and you all